Oh, better. Oh, better. Ah, fell off. What about the elephant? Oh, better. Oh, better. What about
Sheep. He wants the sheep.
Pardon me. Pardon me.
There.
Oh, pardon me.
Nonno.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Pardon me. What about the bear? No. And that's the end of the story. End of the story. There you go. Oh, better. Now time to say goodnight.
Band-Aid? You want the Band-Aids again? He's gonna get you a drink.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
You want some tea?
Okay.
Do you want some tea? Okay.
I'll send you some work. Bye.
Bye, Nonno.
See you later. Bye. See you next break.
You want some tea? Let's go make some tea. Come to the kitchen. Tea? Okay. Let's get a cup of tea. Yeah, you love tea, don't you? Tea. Oh, what are you doing in there? Vincent, did you close the door on me? Vincent, where are you? Where are you, Vincent? Mama? Mama or tea? You don't know what you want. Okay, let's make some tea. Kettle's warm, I think. Yes. Although it's mostly empty. Kitchen's a complete mess. Ah, you want some raspberries. Or as he calls them, yash. Yeah. Raspberry? Yash. Maybe put it somewhere else. Maybe put it somewhere else. Maybe put it down here. Oh, you just want to eat more now. Maybe if you want to keep eating them, you shouldn't put them away. Just hang on to them. Hmm? What's that? I think that's Hades' juice. Juice? Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving me that. Yeah. Raspberry. Would you like a blueberry too? I can get you blueberries. Hang on. I'm gonna put this down safely. Not really. Okay, I'm gonna leave you with that for a second. I'll make you your tea that you wanted. Milk! Be careful, that's made of glass. Thank you! Do you want some milk? Would you like some milk?
I do.
Do? Is do milk? Yes, do is milk.
Do.
You call a few things do. Can you say walk?
Do.
Do. That's right.
Do.
Can you say book?
Do.
Do. And can you say milk?
Do.
Do. A book? The other do. I got you some milk. I got you some almond milk. Yes. You're lucky I didn't put turmeric in it this time.
I do.
Milk. Yes. This is milk. We can make tea after this. Milk. Almond milk. It's a good milk. And what does Nonno say? Nonno says, that's a good drop. Good drop. Good. Good drop. Good drop. Good drop. Yum, yum, yum. You've drunk quite a lot of that. Can I have the cup? Can I have the cup, kitty? Oh, Mama. Mama. You better just pick it up.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
He's gonna drop that. There. Oi!
Exactly.
Oi! Patchaplum, don't patchaplum the milk. Don't patchaplum the milk. That's it. Vincent, that's disgusting. See, and now it's... Uh-oh, no, you slipped. Vincent, how dare you? How dare you? Kick! There! Oh, we're gonna have to change your clothes. Oi, how dare you? How dare you? Beat that. How dare you? Screaming. That's not funny. That's not funny. Vincent! How dare you? What are you doing in the milk? Yeah, what are you doing? You spilt milk on the floor. Nothing worth crying over, I guess. Okay, up you go. Oh no, I'm wiping up the milk. I'm cleaning the milk. You are cheeky. No, milk goes bye-bye. Milk is not for the floor. We drink milk. We don't play with milk. We drink it. Oh, you're cleaning the floor. Thank you. Thank you for cleaning the floor. I should put the recycling out, huh? There. Yes, you're a big grown-up drinking wine. What are you doing? What are you doing? Vincent! Vincent, where are you? Where are you, Vincent? Vincent, don't you close that door! Oi!